Alright, so I got the barbecue up to temperature here. I think we're at 350 degrees. I just put the potatoes on and the green beans. We will get them cooking. Come back when they're done. Alright, so we're going to be cooking ribeye steak. So this does have the bone in it. I'm going to leave the bone on, so they call that rib steak. The only difference is the actual bone. So they will have this, just this piece here is the ribeye. If you add the bone here, it's called rib steak. We're going to do two different marinades today. One, I just use regular Italian dressing. And the other one, we're going to use orange juice. There. So that should be good for one. So what I'll do now is I'll put this aside and I will make 3 more bags like this. When you're doing any steak or any backpack, you do not want this lip to get dirty. So let's fold the lip up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip open the container that these steaks are in, and we're just going to leave them on the container. And we will season them right on the container. This way, no mess. Alright, so I got the rub here. And we're just going to sprinkle it on. What I'm going to do is put the bone all the way in the bag to the front. And we'll continue doing that. Alright, so I'll put the salad dressing in. You don't need a lot, just enough. Vacuum seal, whatever they call it. So we're going to go, it says dry or moist, so we're going to go moist. So let's do the orange juice one then right now. Take the bag, open it up, add some orange juice in it. Here's the one with Italian dressing. Here's the other one. Here's the orange juice. Alright, so this is the orange juice. Just gonna put the dry rub on it. You're going to take these out of the fridge about 20 minutes before you cook them. Flip them. Alright, we're done. Get the steak on. The grill is, I want it around 500 degrees. Alright, so it's up to temperature now. We're going to do about 8 minutes aside. This is going to be on the right side. Going to be so right now I put them on the grill. The left side is going to be the orange juice. And the right side is going to be Italian dressing. Now a key thing is, whenever you're going to flip them, you should flip them and put them on a side of the grill that is hot, so that you get those nice char marks. So, I just want to check what they look like underneath. Alright, we're going to flip them now. I'm going to turn the barbecue grill down a bit.